Hello everyone, Ishita this side from Your PJ Global. Today I am here to discuss with you one more PhD position which is in technology, and this position is in one of the top universities of USA, which is Purdue University. I think many of the students who are watching this video, they dreamt of studying in USA. So this is a good opportunity for you if you want to pursue your PhD from top universities in USA. So in one of the university, which is the Purdue University, one position is available. So let's discuss about this position. Graduate Research Assistant position available for 2025 spring and fall semesters. So basically for 2025 spring and fall semester, this graduate research assistant positions are available. Now we will discuss these positions in detail so that all those who are dreaming of studying in this university, and especially for PhD, they can get a good idea how they can apply and what all positions are there. Hello, we are seeking two motivated graduate research assistants to support research in the following areas. So here the areas are given in which the professor is seeking for a candidate. Number one, development of smart and integrated urban systems. Second one is the development of construction workforce data analysis. If you think that these both are your research area and you want to pursue your PhD in these particular topics, and hence you are looking for the top university, Purdue University in USA, and you find that you are eligible according to your credits and your scores. So guys, these are the two areas in which the professors is looking for the candidates: development of smart and integrated urban systems, development of construction workforce data analysis. So the ideal candidates will pursue a PhD in technology. The position available is in technology at the School of Construction Management Technology, Polytechnic Institute, Purdue University. So the email ID of professor is also given here. Only qualified candidates will be contacted. So the qualified candidate means the candidates whose academics, whose scores, internships, projects makes them fit best for this position, only those candidates will be contacted. So guys, many of you might be thinking of going to USA, and also they are confused that what all credits, scores are required, what is the eligibility criteria. So for this, your PJ Global team is there for you. We have mentors from all over the countries, especially we have mentors from USA as well. If you want to apply for these positions and you are confused how to apply and what all is the eligibility criteria, you can contact us on the numbers given below, or you can fill the Google form which is given in the description as well. We will tell you, we will help you connect with our mentors so that you can get to know about this position, as well as there are many other positions for which you can be eligible. So guys, if you really want to go abroad and if you are dreaming for that, so please contact Your PJ Global so that we can discuss in detail with you this type of positions, or further we also will tell you about different positions so that you can get everything clear and you can apply for your abroad studies. Thank you so much everyone.